here we go again. Time to do another video. This time it won't be on this bad boy. I really need to do some work on this. The throttle actuators are giving me some issues. I did rebuild them already, but I'm gonna take them apart again and clean them out, clean out all that old carbon dust that's in there. I didn't clean it properly the last time. And once I clear the code, it goes away. I drive it for a while, park it, go to start it, it comes back. So I think it's kind of, something's mucking around in there. So I'm gonna take them apart, clean them, put them back together. If that doesn't fix the issue, then I spend about $1,000, about $1,000 Canadian buying two rebuilt ones. Not brand new, rebuilt. And but I hope me cleaning them will fix it, because I already changed the gears inside of them when I just got the car. Before I even put them back in the car, I did change the gears. I will be doing some stuff on this soon. I still have to finish the stereo system off. I'm just doing some more carbon fiber, which I'm not showing anyone. I'm actually going to change all the suspension in this car. All the control arms, ball joints, bushing, everything's going to be changed on this one and the other M3. So I'm still waiting on parts to do those. So that's one of the reasons why I'm not doing it yet. Yes, I know. She is dirty, and man, it's in, oh my God. Just look at this thing. Look at this. But because it's gonna get a full overall, I don't mind. So I get to clean up all this, and man, does it need cleaning. But once I clean it all up, wow, this thing is freaking heavy. And put it in the car, you won't even know it looks like this. So this is gonna get completely ripped apart. But here it is. And man, I can't wait to try and fit this thing in there. But this is it. I'm just going to show you guys when I try to rip it out. And I won't do a full, ripping out video. I'm just going to take it out and then clean it. I don't know. When I take it out, I'll see what I do before I try and fit it in the other engine. But this is her in her dirty glory. So most of the accessories are going to change on here. All the belts and everything. Gaskets, you name it. It's all going to be done. But here she is before I rip it out. And probably the next video you guys see on this car is when I rip it out. But let me show you the engine. Here it is in all its filthy glory. I actually did clean this, but I can't find a video. I have a video. Actually, I did remember now. I have a video of me taking it out of the car, but oh well. So this is the V8. Yes, it's kind of in a rough shape, but I don't mind because I plan on completely rebuilding this thing. There's even rat poop on it now. Huh, wow. So here it is. I'm just waiting, like I said, on the adapter plate. So I got to get rid of this flywheel. Waiting on the adapter plate. It has one manifold on it. I think the other one is here somewhere. I just don't know where the heck I put it. But I remember taking it off. I still have one engine mount there. And I think, yes, there's one more engine mount there. Wait, no, that's just the bracket, I think. But yeah, I plan on ripping this down, doing probably timing chain and all that. But I'll see how deep down the rabbit hole I'm gonna go. But I gotta do valve cover, all that stuff on there. I do have the engine harness, but I might get a new one. Who knows? We just have to see where this is going to go. But man, this thing was filthy before, and I mean filthy. But I did manage to wash it, but that was just, to get most of the grease off. So I know there's other leakage going on. I think the head gaskets are still fine, but let's see in here. Oh, that is dirty in there. So like I said, there's a lot of work to go on this, but overall I think all the cylinders are good. When I did a leak down, like I said, I have all that. I just can't find the video because I bought this thing so long ago. But what do these things call again? I forgot what they're called. I have them. They're all cleaned up, ready to go. And I still have a lot of parts to buy for this thing. But this is where, ECS is going to come in handy. And if you guys use my ECS links, a little bit come back to me to help build this thing. But I can't wait to, like, what the hell almost, I guess I got mice in here or something. So this is going to have to get another wash before I touch it. Now, I'm going to get to the transmission and show you guys what I have. But everything on this thing is about to get rebuilt. So don't worry, guys. It's not going to look like this when I'm done with it. It's It's gonna look nice and clean because I'm not gonna put a dirty engine in the car. I've seen too many people do that. I'm just gonna clean it up properly and put it in the car. Here is a tub filled with the wiring harnesses and whatever else I took off the engine. I kept it all in here because I'm gonna put it back. I also took the airbags out. Shit, I forgot that in here. I can sell those and make some money on those. But the entire wiring system for that car is in here. And just in case I need anything from it, I don't want to have to go buy something later for the engine. So the engine harness is in here and the entire chassis harness is in here. So I kept it just in case I might need something. So that's the complete wiring harness from the 06 E60 V8, 4.4 liter V8. So like I said, the transmission is junk. I got an engine here and I got a transmission. I'm just waiting for the adapter plate to put them together. I'm going to have to get the car in the garage. But first, I gotta get that one out of there, and try and mock this engine up and see how it fits, and what I need to shave, what I need to cut, what I need to make. So, because you know, it's gonna be a custom. Because I can't find anything. Everyone does the older engine in the E36. No one, I haven't found anyone that did this engine in the E36 yet. So this is all gonna be new to me. So I can't look up I can't do any research and watch videos on how what parts to use or anything. So I'm gonna have to do it all from scratch. If anyone has any link to any videos, hey, send them to me. I'll gladly watch them and then see what I need. But for now, I don't have anything. Well, there it is. This is a DCT from a 2012 E92 M3. Can't remember if it's in E90 or E92. This thing only has like, I think 40-something thousand miles on it. So it's very young. But it's been sitting here for a while. So this is gonna get a new filter, new everything on it. I think something is up over here. I don't know what's going on here. But this thing been sitting here for a long time also. So all the seals from this thing are gonna get changed. I'm gonna get a new oil pan for it. One of those probably billet oil pans. Still has a cooler on it. So yeah, I have a lot of work ahead of me. So all this is gonna get washed and cleaned up properly when it's time. And then custom drive shaft, you name it. It's all gonna get done and go in this car. But I can't wait. So this thing has, I think this thing has less mileage on it than the one that's in this baby, because everything from that car was, the engine and the transmission was, actually no, I think that one is practically new. But here we go. So this is it. That's it. I can't wait to put these in the car. So it's gonna be a while, but this is what I have planned for the E36. Yes, I know people are gonna be pissed, but I love that transmission. They are so nice to use. Imagine putting it with this V8 in that little car. Oh, I can't wait. But so that's the plan going forward, unless I end up getting another car, then this is really gonna be on the back burner. Now you have an idea what it's going to look like made it together. Yeah, I can't wait to get it in the car, but there you go. That's what's going to be in the car. So stand by. As you can see, lots of work to do on this baby. She is dirty. I hope it's worth my while. I really hope there's enough room in here to put this engine, because it's looking kind of tiny in here. I guess they had changed the strut mount over here. And look at this old HID box. But I sure hope there's enough room to stick this big ass V8 in here. A lot of shaving and tucking is gonna be going on in here. But man, it's I mean, I don't know, but I should have measured it to see if the engine is too wide, but one way or another, it is going in here, so it better fit. And this is gonna be a problem down here, so I don't know what I'm gonna do with that yet, but like I said, it's gonna take a while. Like I said, a lot of work has to go on this thing. I don't know, I think this was in a front end collision or something, but either way, all this is gonna get fixed. But my biggest concern is I'm gonna mock it up in here, see what needs to come out, what needs to be shaved off, and I'll go from there, because oh boy, So this is why I want to put the engine in first before I start getting too invested in it and see what I need to do. Well, there you go. I know a lot of people is gonna be, oh, what are you doing to this? Listen, man, the DCT in this thing is just crazy, and I love it so much. I bought another one from the US, so that's why it's going in there instead of a manual. I'm sorry, guys. I'm not into you guys like, save the manual this, save the manual that. I've driven enough manual in my life, and after driving this DCT, I want no more manual because this thing is so much fun to drive. You have no idea. But for all you guys who are saving the manuals, good for you, but it ain't for me. This car ain't for probably for not anyone but me, but so be it. I'm sure the kids will love it. But guess what? That's what's going in there. And I know it's pissing a lot of you guys off because, I'm ruining the car. Hey, right now it doesn't have anything in it. So this is what I can get to put in there. And I'm going to love it. With that V8, I'm definitely going to love it. But so that's going to be the plan. So I am still waiting on the adapter plate so I can put them together. But for now, I think I'm going to get the car in the garage, do the adapter, wait for the adapter plate. And then I will, in the meantime, I'm going to try and mock the engine up for engine mounts and all that stuff. And then when I get the adapter plate, I put the tranny on. But while I'm waiting for that, I'm going to get it in and start working on the rust and stripping this car. And I hope I remember how to put it back together. So lots of pictures, lots of videos on how to put this thing back together. But that's going to be it for now. So until the next video, later.